Hello, today we will guide you through how to share Qualtrics survey with another user. We'll begin from the Qualtrics survey editing screen. If you already have the survey open, that's perfect because this process starts right there. From the Edit Survey page, look to the top left corner of the screen and click the three-line menu icon. This opens the main navigation panel, which gives you access to other areas of your Qualtrics account. Once the menu is open, click on Projects. This will take you out of the survey editor and back to your main Projects area, where you can manage the surveys and other items in your account. If you have multiple projects, take a moment to locate the one you want to share. When you find the correct survey project, look for the three-dot menu on that project card or row. Click those three dots to open more options for that specific project. In the menu that appears, select Collaborate. This is the option that allows you to share access to the survey with another user inside Qualtrics. After the collaboration window opens, you'll see a field where you can enter the person you want to collaborate with. Start typing their user details as prompted by Qualtrics and select the correct person from the list. It's a good idea to double check that you've selected the right account before moving on, especially if there are users with similar names. Next, click Add Selected. This adds that user to the collaboration list for the survey. At this point, Qualtrics may display the selected collaborator in the window so you can confirm they've been included. Finally, click Save to apply the changes. This is the step that completes the sharing process, so make sure you don't skip it. Once saved, the other user should now have access according to the collaboration settings available in your Qualtrics environment. As a quick tip, if the person does not appear when you search for them, they may need to already exist within your organization's Qualtrics directory or have the appropriate account permissions. Also, if you don't see the Collaborate option, your own account permissions may be limited. And that's it. You've successfully shared your Qualtrics survey with another user. Thanks for following along, and we hope this made the process simple and clear.